Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Engagisuite review. Now, for those of you out there who are struggling with your social media, it's a well-known fact that one of the best ways to get engagement, followers, and traffic is to do competitions, viral contests, and giveaways. So what Engagisuite is going to do is help you to make really cool-looking pages that are going to get your fans, your viewers, your followers, subs, or whatever to engage with your content. Today we're going to take a deep dive and show you exactly how it works, exactly what you can create, as well as go into some really cool bonus products that I've personally gotten for you that are going to help supplement Engagisuite, and so you're getting just the absolute most out of it. Before we get into seeing what is available though, it'd help me out if you just smash that like button, hit subscribe if you want more updates, and of course turn on that bell notification. Also, if you decide that you want to check out my bonus page or Engagisuite at any time during this video, you just have to click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this, and it has everything you need. It has legal information, my contact details, a brief description, and all of the bonuses here. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the Engagisuite sales page. So what happens is when you click on these green buttons, all of these bonuses essentially are locked in, right, or secured, so that when you do go through to the sales page and purchase Engagisuite, you'll get Engagisuite and my bonuses all sent to you in one big bundle. Now, most people who give away bonuses, I know what they do. They scour the web and they find like these old PDFs from 2011 and they try to tell you that they're worth anything. Now, if you like collecting PDFs, be my guest. Go get some PDFs from you know, other bonus pages. But if you want some bonuses that have a proven track record, bonuses that have helped other people in the past make money, then you might like these a lot more. A really quick rundown of the bonuses before we get into the demo. I've gotten you social media income. Usually these are sold separately, but I've just gotten them all together in a big bundle. It's a 5-part bonus. You got the Facebook version, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest version. In my opinion, they are the main platforms to drive traffic from. So they're gonna really teach you about the nuances of each social media platform, so that you know exactly how to do your marketing on each one, and especially use Engagisuite on each one as well. So really great bonus for driving traffic from whatever platform you decide to use. Bonus number 2 is online viral marketing secrets. So this is gonna hone down more on what it means to create viral content. Like, what are the elements of viral content? So this is going to go into topics like viral content failures, what doesn't constitute viral content, mistakes people usually make, how to find hot content, how to maximize niche targeting and curation of content. What else is in there? How to share viral content on Facebook and Twitter properly, and also how to filter your content format in order to go viral on different platforms. So if you can create content that goes viral and apply that to Engagisuite, Engagisuite is gonna increase your chances a lot by helping your content go viral as well. So if you can combine Engagisuite with some other content, you're gonna get a lot of engagement. Bonus number 3 is called simple social content. So this again is going to go more into how to effectively create content. So this is going to go into more like how to analyze your audience and find similar interest groups, how to find out where your audience hangs out and how to stimulate that audience in order to drive that traffic to what you're offering, how to use powerful images, how to use powerful words that are going to trigger emotions, compel people to want to go visit, want to go see what you're selling, organize your content, and also some cool stuff on auto scheduling. So this is a new product. I think you're going to get a lot out of it as well. Bonus number 4, I've gotten you a 2-part bonus. So I was thinking to myself, okay, you are using Engagisuite, you're finding out about social media, you're going to be rock and rolling on there, but you're also going to be capturing leads, right? So what Engagisuite isn't going to offer you is a bit of training on how to monetize your list. It's a well-known fact that the money's made in the list. So I've gotten you 2 bonuses here, Email Marketing Success and Email Monetizer. And they're gonna help you to know how to manage and deal with and make money from your email list. So when you capture all those leads, you're going to want to know what's the next step, right? Which is how to market to your email list on your terms, because that is, at the end of the day, really where your money is going to come from. It's not going to come from Engagisuite in itself. That's like step one. That's going to drive the traffic by because you'll have engaging content that people are going to be drawn to. But then you're going to capture the emails, and then what are you going to do? Okay, so that's why I threw these bonuses in, just for that second half of the puzzle. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is I've got the hookup with the Engagisuite vendors. They've given me a bunch of bonus products to give to you as well. I've got access to all of those. Let's take a look really quick. So these bonuses are coming from Engagisuite. So I don't know a hell of a lot about them, but I'm sure they're gonna supplement, by the looks of them, by the names, they're gonna supplement Engagisuite really well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra bonuses: web traffic excellence, viral giveaway kickstart, viral code, social media content, and creative background kit. They're gonna be all thrown in. So if you tie it all together, you got 5 bonuses there: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 exclusive bonuses. So if that all sounds good to you, what you do is you click the link in the description, you come through to my bonus page, lock in your bonuses by clicking on one of these green buttons. That will send you off to the Engagimate sales page, which looks like this. This is the pre-launch page, but you will get the live page. There'll be a lot of information on there, functions, features, etc. Will help you to make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, again, you'll get Engagisuite with all of those bonuses all together. You'll be sent a digital receipt that will look like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Engagisuite, under the blue button will be the bonuses. A word of warning, this is a launch week special offer. So keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it runs down, any bonuses or any discount pricing that you're getting exclusively through my link may no longer be available. So get in sooner rather than later. Okay, there is a discount code as well that I've gotten for you, but I'll send that to you after the demo. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to get into the demo of Engagisuite. So let's check it out.
So the first thing you'll notice when you log into Engagisuite is that you need to create your first brand. With Engagisuite, you can run campaigns for multiple brands and nicely separate them from each other. So let's go ahead and create our first brand. We come back to the dashboard. Here, you can see I have some campaigns that I have already set up, but you would definitely have a blank dashboard the first time you log in. So let's create our first campaign. Click on the New Campaign tab now. You'll find some pre-made templates available for you. You can simply load any one depending on your campaign objective. But for now, we will create a fresh new campaign from scratch. So, we click on the Custom button to get started. Let's assume we want to create a contest for a brand new hair salon business that wants to grow its social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And, in return, they are willing to give away a 1-year complete hair care package to 3 winners. With this objective in mind, let's get started. Let's give the campaign a title. Next, we write the description and details of the campaign, so people are clearly informed on what they're contesting for, how they can join, how the winners are selected, and when the winners will be announced, and any other information required. Next, we set the time duration for the campaign and set our terms and conditions, since this is required in certain countries if you're running this type of contest. You can copy and paste your terms and conditions here or add the link to your T&C. On the next tab, we add our campaign creative. This could be a video or image. Next, we go to the User Settings tab. We set how we want our users to join in the contest. Users can join via Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Twitch. We set whether we want to build our email list from people who join our contest. Next tab is where we actually set up the actions. Based on our campaign objective, we will need to add the following actions. Visit Facebook page. Follow on Twitter. Follow on Pinterest. Pin Pinterest post. Follow on Instagram. Share with friends. Sharing this campaign with friends will help you get more organic traffic to your campaign. Next, we set the number of winners we expect. Since this is a contest, there's no need to set instant rewards like access to a link, coupon, or download button. Next, we add the instant messages our subscribers who have completed the campaign, those who won the campaign, and those who did not win. Messages to non-winners can be a great place to make them some kind of offer and generate instant sales from your new subscribers. Next, we customize the look of our campaign page. Finally, you can restrict your campaign by country. Simply type in the names of the countries your campaign is targeted to, or click the country on the map below. If you leave the area untouched, anyone from any part of the world will be able to take part in your contest. Once you're done, you save your first campaign. Now you're ready to share the unique URL with your customers on your social media, or you can run a simple ad to it to generate the initial traffic. With the viral share action, these visitors can now share this with their friends, so you can start getting free traffic at no cost or work on your part. Let's visit the campaign page now to see how a user interacts with your new campaign. You can also embed your campaign on your website, so your website visitors can complete the actions without leaving your page.
Alright, just before we close out the video, if you want to check out my bonus page, you can see all this information for yourself. But basically we've got the pricing here. So the front end of Engagisuite is $57. You can get 10% off with the code that you see on your screen right now. And that just contains main access and features of Engagisuite. You do only need the front end to have access to all the bonuses. Okay, that's you just need that basic front end. There is a one-time offer, which is Engagisuite Pro, that gives you autoresponder integration, embed campaigns on websites, more pre-made templates, age restrictions for campaigns, more actions, full analytics, mobile-enabled campaigns, geo-intelligence, so that gives you results by country, and you can publish campaign pop-ups. One-time offer number 2 is the agency toolkit. Everything your customer needs to start up a lead generation agency business, so they can use Engagisuite within their business in order to sell solutions to other people. And one-time offer number 3 is Engagisuite Agency, where you can turn that in a full-blown agency app and invite team members, users, creators, and things like that. Again, if you're working with other clients and you want to make what Engagisuite can do something that you offer them. So great tool if you're a social media marketing agency, for example. You can create way more interesting social media posts that are really going to promote a lot more engagement with this points system and other features of Engagisuite. So really is a ton of value in here when you take into consideration what is on offer during launch week. You got the discount, you got 14 bonus products. So I do encourage you to check it out risk-free. There is a full money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you will get to keep the bonuses, of course. And yeah, if you do have any further questions or queries, do not hesitate to drop them in the comments, message me on social media or my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy Engagisuite. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.